During the pandemic, suburban rail network and the metro were not operational, and restrictions were imposed on other transit modes. Best was the only mode of transport available for those who were engaged in the essential emergency services. Dedicated trips were operated round the clock, at times by operating buses way beyond our operation area. More importantly, our AC buses were also provided for distribution of food and other civil supplies, as well as for shifting people from the affected areas to the COVID care center. Services operated for Shramik train passengers as well as for Vande Bharat flights. We operated around 2,000 buses even during the lockdown period. We have created dedicated medical teams at each depot that keeps day-to-day check on the health of staff. The centralized team makes decisions for timely admission and treatment of the patients. We have ensured that each bus is sanitized properly on a daily basis, and masks are regularly provided to our staff. We had also isolated the driver cabin in some buses that were dedicatedly operated for some hospitals. Staff members having multiple illness, especially diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, and were either not given frontline jobs or were permitted to stay at home. We faced a lot of challenges. Bus operations were required to be completely reoriented within a short period of time in the absence of suburban rail. The posting of bus conductors in bus, which is considered indispensable for city bus service, was completely eliminated on as many as 108 bus routes by introducing off-board booking. We posted conductors at major bus stops for issuing tickets, thereby reducing the requirement of on-board conductors. As I said earlier, we operated around 2,000 buses even during the lockdown period. Post easing of the lockdown, BEST not only operated its full fleet but also hired 1,000 buses from MSRTC for meeting the demand. Handling of this pandemic has taught us important lessons and has provided us a blueprint for meeting the commuting needs in the event of pandemic like COVID-19. The changes and diversification in the bus operations are specifically made to meet the challenges arising out of the pandemic and would continue till normalcy is restored. As far as future initiatives are concerned, we will continue to focus on operation of conductorless services, thereby reducing operating costs and making public transport affordable and sustainable in the long run. I must add that Mumbai is the only city where so many buses are operated without conductors. We would continue to augment our bus fleet through wet leasing hiring mode on gross cost contract model, and our focus on digital mode of payment will continue to be very high.